So, I don't know if anyone can remember my ginger chews. Yeah, this is a different version. Today on Queenie's Backyard, I'm showing you how to make ginger chews but with honey and brown sugar. This is the healthiest version. So, if you've watched the other video, you'd actually know that I'll skin it first, cut it into slices, wash it, then boil the slices of ginger. So the whole story about these ginger chews is a little story though. I had a friend then on the island that taught me this, and ever since I took ginger chews I was hooked. So to one part I add a cup of brown sugar, and to the other part another cup of honey. The one of honey is going to be very thick, trust me. So we have to stir them. Stir this and stir this and stir this and stir this. Well, it was interesting stirring both at the same time. Actually, I just tried it. A little goofy though. Then I put both on fire just like the other video. I'm not going to say so much on ginger because I actually did a lot of talking in the previous video. But I'm going to put a link in the description box so that you can go and watch it. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. So these ones, they actually reduced a lot. Like the one with the brown sugar, that's the first pot. This one, you can see there is little or no liquid in it, and then the other one is the one with the honey. So let me just show you a bit of it so you can see. It's quite different from the first one. So let's check the one with the honey. The liquid in it is a bit, should I say, darker? Yeah, it should be darker than the other one, just because it's the honey. So let me show you one slice from here. It's more golden brown than the other one. So I have my rack here that I'm going to place every piece. So first I'm starting with the honey ginger. Yeah, I'm starting with that first. On this other side is the one with the brown sugar. I'm just going to place them separately. So this side is the honey ginger side and this side is the brown sugar ginger chew. I'm leaving these out for about 48 hours. After that we have this. You can see some whitish though crystals around there. So that's the crystals of the brown sugar, but the other one, the very dark one at the extreme there, that's actually the one with the honey. So it's darker than the previous ginger chew, which I coated in I coated it in white sugar. So you can try yours. Let's see how yours goes and enjoy a healthier version of my ginger chews.